Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to set up your dual monitor on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to identify its port. So this is HDMI port on the PC if you are using, and if you are using the laptop, the same port you should able to get HDMI port or VGA port. So these are the images of your VGA port. This is VGA port, this is HDMI port. You need to connect from your PC to or laptop to secondary monitor, and once you connect it properly you need to right click on the desktop, then click on display settings, and you need to make sure that you are connected proper way by both end. Once it is connected, it will be detected here. Either should be keep the changes, and once you keep the changes, you should able to drag this screen from first screen to secondary screen. Now how to make a first screen and secondary screen. So click on identify here, and this is my desktop screen, second one is my monitor screen. So in order to make a first first one is my laptop, so I need to select that option. If it is select like this, okay, I need to select the one here, this option. As you can see here, the desktop icon are gone. That means that this is not the primary display and main display. So I need to make it as primary. Let me show you how to make it. Click on identify. This is, now click on one and click on this option. Make this my main display. Now you can see these items, and when I open here the new settings, I should able to get this window here. But if you want to make another screen to the main, just click that option and click on this main setting. Now what are the difference between extend screen, duplicate screen and show only one screen? So mainly duplicate screen will show you the same screen which is on your desktop or the laptop. You can see here, so both will be showing the same screen on the both the screen, while the extend will show you different screen. Show only one will show you only the main screen, this one, but it should be detected here. If you are not detected your secondary screen here, you need to make sure that you are connected properly the cable, and also the display driver is up to date. If you will not get this option, to simply update your driver to latest the graphic driver, and thereafter you should able to get the multiple display here. You can also click on this option, detect the screen. If the screen is aligned from right to left, so you can keep it, and if it is aligned from up to down, you can keep them as here. Now you can identify it. This is one, so this is my first screen. Now this is secondary, this is my up screen. If you have set up like this, so mine has set up like this. First one is this one, and right handed secondary screen. Also you need to make sure that the secondary screen is selected as recommended options. If it is out of range like this, you need to select it to recommended one. Keep it changes, go to advanced screen. So I can replug the display again since it was out of range. So see, it has detected now. So that's all for this video guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.